Halor ka kinrum kinram ka balas dang ke kelang ha ki than khanduli ha kini kita yo balala hapadeng ki pai pa nong shangshnong na rilom west jainta bat na them karbi anglong o mintri rang ba o Conrad ke sangma ulai thu o dang penkre ban Iakynduh yo mintri rang ba ka asam o Hemanta bi Sharma ha ka arku sal Tarik Jymmang ban Kren halor ki pot ki sam.
It's precisely the reason why the talks are necessary. This is precisely the reason why we need to find a solution. So the only way to ensure that this kind of incidents don't occur in the future is to find a solution and to be able to find permanent peace in these areas. The Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself and the committee members are expected to meet on the 24th of this month. So that will be the first meeting that may take place in Guwahati. We are still waiting for full confirmation, but tentatively, both of us have agreed. The logistics are being worked out. And if everything falls into place, we are expected to meet on the 24th of this month, post which we have already decided that we will visit both the Block 1, Block 2 area jointly to send a message of confidence, a message of peace, and a message of restraint from both sides, including administration. And these are the steps and measures that we're taking. But as I said that, yes, incidents are happening. We are very concerned about them and they should not. We appeal for peace and harmony in these areas. But ultimately, in order to ensure that we are able to find permanent peace there, the solution to this border issue is the only way forward. Yeah, so many incidents are happening. Many actions are being taken from both sides which are not going too well with the other side. And hence, the confidence building step and exercise of both the chief ministers going to these locations is precisely with that objective. To build up the confidence, as I said, to send a positive message of peace and also the serious message that we want the solution to happen. And also to ensure that we ask the different administrations to restrain from any kind of such activity which would further instigate the situation.
Thank you so much.